We'll guide you through how to make Flash Effect in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by going to your search bar and search After Effects so you can find the program fast. Open After Effects and import your footage right away so it is ready to work on. After that, make a new composition by right-clicking the project bar on the left. Then select New Composition from the menu that shows up. Set the name of the composition based on your like, so the file stays clear and easy to track. Set the ratio next, and for this guide, I use 1920 and 1080 since that size fits well on many screens. Then set the frame rate based on your need, and here I use 30 FPS since it feels smooth. After that, set the duration based on your plan for the edit. When all settings are done, click OK to make the new comp inside the new comp. Drag and drop your footage into the timeline so you can start editing it. Then select your layer so the settings and effects can be applied to it. Open the Effects and Presets menu to find the tools you need. Search for the exposure effect inside the list. After that, drag and drop the effect into your layer so it appears in the effect panel. Turn on keyframes on the exposure setting to start the move. Add 2 keyframes so the change can happen between them. Set the first keyframe based on your like so the brightness starts at your chosen value. Set the second keyframe to 0 so the exposure goes back down. Then select both keyframes and right-click them. Choose Keyframe Assistant from the menu. Pick Easy Ease so the change feels smooth and less stiff. If you want to set the graph, click the exposure effect below so the graph option shows up. Open the graph settings to see the curve. Set your graph based on your like, or match it with my settings if you want a similar look. Adjusting the graph will help the move feel more natural. You can repeat these steps if you want more control over brightness changes in other parts of the footage. Watch how each keyframe shifts the move so the change stays smooth. Try small tweaks first so you can see what each move does. With practice, you will get faster at shaping the move in a clear way for your edit.